You gave me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika. In today's video, I'm going to do an inspired makeup look of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan from Cannes 2016. If you want to know how I got this look, then please watch the video. As you can see, I have applied nothing on my face, so I'm going to prep my face first. I'm using this rose water as a toner. I'll take it on a cotton ball and then I'll apply it all over my face. And then I'm using this aloe vera gel on the top of that. And then I'm using this moisturizer from VLCC and I'm going to apply it on my face. I'll give a gentle massage on my face. I'm using this concealing palette from Kiss Beauty and I'm going to conceal my eyelids first because I'm going to do my eye makeup first.
Sometimes I feel tired of my heavy thoughts. It's like start a fire when we're on the boat.
Now from this palette of Hilary Rhoda, I'm going to take a white powdery shade and I'll apply it on my eyelid. Now with the help of this pencil brush, I'm going to take up the blue shade from the same palette and I'm going to draw a winged line from the outer corner of my eyes. And I'm going to make a V shape by smudging the eyeshadow towards my eyelid. And then with the help of a small definer brush, I'm going to take up the same shade and I'll be placing it towards my lash line. Same manner as we apply an eyeliner. I'm taking this darker blue shade and I'm going to apply it on the top of my eyeshadow for giving my eyes more depth.
With a heart round my name, I see it so.
Now I'm applying concealer on 1/3 of my eyelid and I'll be blending it by dabbing it with my finger. I'm applying concealer for more clean look.
I just wanna stay here.
I'm setting my concealer by applying white shade from the eyeshadow palette. Now with the help of this definer brush, I'm applying brown eyeshadow just to draw my crease line and then I'll be blending it with the help of a pencil brush. I'm doing so just to give more depth to my eyes.
Without you behind.
Now with the help of my finger, I'm applying a shimmery white shade on the inner 1/3 of my eyelid. This is how my both eyes are looking. Now I'm going to prime my face and I'm using this primer from Lotus and it is a silicone based primer.
Like you used to say.
Now I'm going to apply foundation and this foundation is from Maybelline Fit Me and I'm going to be applying it with the help of a foundation brush.
With a heart round my name, I see it so clearly that you won't believe. I just wanna stay here.
Now with the help of an highlighting concealer, I'm going to be highlighting the areas like below my eyes, on the sides of my nose, on the sides of my lips, my chin and on the center of my forehead. By applying concealer on these areas, we will get more flawless base.
Without you behind.
And now I'm going to be blending my concealer with the help of this blending brush. Using this compact from Maybelline Fit Me, I'm going to be setting my base and I'm applying this compact only on the T-zone areas. And from the same eyeshadow palette, I'm picking up this grey shade and I'm filling up my eyebrows with the help of an angled brush.
I find these old letters with a heart round my name.
And again I'm picking up this dark blue shade with the help of a small definer brush and I'll be applying it closer towards my lower lash line. I'm going to line my eyes and I'm using Lakme 9 to 5 eyeliner for this. I'll be drawing very simple line and I'll be not putting out any wing, because in that look Aishwarya is also not having any winged liner. She is having very simple liner. I'm using this kajal from Himalaya and I'm going to be applying it on my lower lash line and then I'll be smudging it little bit with the help of a flat definer brush.
Without you behind.
I'm going to finish up my eye makeup by applying some mascara and I'm using this mascara from Kiss Beauty. Now it's time to contour my face and I'm using this Itex Dazzler Classic Compact Powder. Yes guys, it is a compact powder but it is very deeper than my skin tone, so I'm using it as a bronzer or contour.
You used to say I find these old.
I'm going to contour my nose and I'm making two lines on the sides of my nose with the help of a flat brush, and then I'll be blending up these two lines.
I see it so clearly.
As you can see, I'm applying blush and this blush palette is from Hilary Rhoda. I'm going to highlight my face and I'm using this highlighter palette from Ronzel Cosmetics. So I'm going to be highlighting my nose, my chin, my cheeks, my forehead.
And I'm on my own now.
Now with the help of this sponge applicator, I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone. So my base makeup is done. So I'm going to be fixing my face makeup by this makeup fixer, and this is from ADS. I am going to finish up my face makeup by applying this very light pink lipstick. I don't have exact shade of lipstick what she has applied, but I'll be mixing 2-3 shades so that I can match her shade.
It is better. Like you used to say.
So my makeup is done and this is the final finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and liked the look, and also thank you for watching the full video. And if you do like the look, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.